Hello and welcome to a video on metal frame buildings. We have done lots of other building videos which you may also like to view. And remember, a little knowledge can be dangerous. We carry out building surveys on non-traditional buildings. Our reports have an executive summary at the start called the Good, Bad and Ugly. We always invite you to meet the surveyor at the survey so we can get a better understanding of what you are after doing. If you are looking to live in the property, rent it out, extend it or sell it on. We are finding that people are insulating metal frame houses to the sort of standard that we do in modern properties, which can cause problems, particularly, for example, if the soffit boards are not vented and there is no air movement in the roof. The soffit vents help airflow occur in the roof and minimise condensation, which can lead to the metal frame and other elements rusting and deteriorating. It is often the things that people do to the metal frame buildings that cause problems. We typically open up non-traditional buildings in a minimum of 3 areas to see what the structure is doing. We have found this to be very important over the years. There were hundreds of thousands of non-traditional buildings built after the war. Many originally designed for a limited time period, and many have gone past this time period and have been altered and amended and improved beyond what was ever intended originally. The non-traditional metal frame houses, such as the BISF, have both unique problems and fairly standard problems that we come across due to the ways the owners have altered them. For example, taking walls out or adding in windows without trickle vents and having extract fans that are poor, which leads to condensation in the building and in turn leads to rusting. This is a data model, also known as a cube, of one of the properties that we have surveyed, showing how we have analysed it and how we have gathered data over literally decades to assess the problems. Metal frame buildings have very unique problems that can affect their value and affect the ability for you to rent them. These type of buildings can be one of the most problematic non-traditional buildings, but also they can have development opportunities which we are more than happy to discuss with you. Equally, you can make very basic errors with these properties, such as putting a traditional concrete tile onto the lightweight frame, causing structural problems. What sort of discounts have we seen over the years? We've seen lots of different discounts. It can be argued sometimes there are no savings being obtained at all because problems have been missed. We would recommend you come to meet us at the property where we can advise you of any problems we find. We can also carry out thermal image surveys. These are not standard and need to be specifically requested. If you want to know more about building surveying, please call free phone 0800 298 5424 or email help@firstassociated.co.uk. Please make a note of our contact details. Those contact details again are free phone 0800 298 5424 or email help@firstassociated.co.uk. Thank you once again and we look forward to helping you.